This is the 21-inch Schrade SCMACH2 Full Tang Machete. Imposing, versatile, and sharp as a tack, the SCMACH2 boasts a massive overall length of 21 inches, sporting a 15-inch full tang fine-edged blade. The SCMACH2 is fashioned from tough, edge-retaining 3CR13 stainless steel. The razor-sharp recurve edge toward the handle provides extra cutting power for fine tasks, while the balance of the blade makes large chopping and slicing jobs seem like child's play. The clip point with honed false edge gives you extra piercing power, while the black-coated sawtooth spine makes this machete an amazingly versatile tool. Weighing in at only 16.8 ounces, the SCMACH2 is excessively nimble for a machete of this size. Comfortable, shock-free use is made possible by the ergonomic one-piece TPE handle. Water-shedding grooves coupled with a swelled midsection, top-hand guard, and flared butt protect your hands and extend use to any weather condition, while a lanyard hole is provided for additional safety. The SCMACH2 is kept safe and ready for use in its rugged black reinforced nylon belt sheath with lower closure strap and upper snap keep. A friend you can rely on when the going gets tough, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the 21-inch Schrade SCMACH2 Machete.
This is a review of SOG's Jungle Primitive. They make several versions kind of this jungle series. This one is the original and is really a cool knife. So it's kind of a cross between a knife and a machete. It comes with a nylon sheath here with a pouch on the outside for a multi-tool or a sharpening steel. When you pull the thing out, you can see how large it is. It's 15.3 inches long. And again, it's a cross between a big knife or a machete, and it's great for chopping, pounding, sawing, slicing. Just multi-purpose tool for survival or around the camp. There's a serrated short edge at the bottom there, and the Creighton handle's got a very aggressive curve on the front and the back, so there's less chance of it slipping forward or back out of your hand. You can see there's a place on the back here for pounding as well. Just a great all-purpose camp tool. It's really a tool. I think you're going to like it. It's a lot of fun, and it comes with a full lifetime warranty from SOG.
This is the DoubleDown from Gerber. The DoubleDown is unlike any other tool in the market. It combines the features of a knife, a machete, and a hatchet all in one compact package. During development, we obsessed over durability, knowing it needed to withstand years of extreme impact while still delivering finesse. The butterfly opening mechanism has gears to enable controlled and safe deployment to nearly double in size. The DoubleDown is built for 3 activities: chopping, splitting, and core knife work. For your splitting tasks, we added jimping to the spine of the blade so that when you baton, all that energy is transferred straight into the wood. Whether you're clearing brush or small trees, the length of the DoubleDown optimizes your force at impact. For core knife work, choking up on the handle gives complete control over the slightly recurved blade. The quad lock system is both safe and intuitive, with a built-in stop to remind users to clear their fingers from the path of the blade. For added strength and performance, features include a stability bar and an overstrike guard. It's available in 3 colors and comes with a multi-mount sheath that can be worn vertically on the belt or attached to MOLLE webbing. This hybrid tool is proudly made in the USA and ready for the outdoors.